Listen to the story carefully. Story 27. The Prime of Miss Jean Brodie. I watched her, Miss Jean Brodie, teach with fire, shaping minds with stories, dreams and ideas that reached beyond the classroom. She had favorites and I was drawn to her, believing her vision of the world. But I also saw danger in blind admiration. Following someone completely can lead to mistakes. She wanted us to be bold, ambitious and unique, yet her influence sometimes clashed with reality. I learned that inspiration can guide, but judgment must stay our own. By the end, I understood that growing up means choosing whom to follow carefully, thinking for yourself and seeing that even the brightest guide can cast shadows. Life is about learning, questioning and finding your own path, even while remembering those who shaped you. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.